A lawyer acting for Imran Khan has told News at 10 tonight of the solitary confinement in which Pakistan's former Prime Minister is now being held. Mr. Khan was sentenced over the weekend to 3 years in jail over corruption allegations. He was taken to a high-security prison in eastern Punjab province and, we've heard, has since been denied sufficient food and medical attention. And beyond the prison walls, Pakistan holds its breath tonight to see what becomes of its one-time hero.
Over the last few weeks, Imran Khan has seemed increasingly confident that prison is where he would end up. Last month, he told News at 10 he thought his arrest would come later that week.
I'm all mentally prepared that, there's a possibility tomorrow night and onwards, I will be spending in jail.
His story is unique. After channeling a reputation born on the cricket field of a plucky underdog and an unlikely success into a powerful narrative which helped bring him to power. But what does political power really mean in a country where the military holds so much sway? But this is not the story of one man or even one country.